Debt doesn't start as a disaster. It starts as convenience. A credit card for emergencies, a small loan for something temporary. Then interest grows, payments overlap, and suddenly what was meant to help begins to trap you. Millions face this spiral every year, not because they're careless, but because the system is designed to make borrowing look easy and repayment feel impossible. The truth is, escaping debt isn't about luck or income. It's about awareness. If you've ever felt buried by bills or tempted by easy credit, this might be the reality check that saves your future. 1. The hidden triggers that lead to debt. Most people don't fall into debt overnight. It starts small. The credit card swipe for something affordable, a loan to cover an emergency, or spending to keep up with others. These small choices feel harmless, but over time they stack up. The truth is, debt often begins when emotions guide money decisions. We spend to feel better, to fit in, or to make life easier right now. But later comes the stress, bills, interest, and endless payments. Recognizing these triggers early is the first step to breaking free. Once you know what causes the trap, you can stop falling into it. 2. Understanding interest, the silent money killer. Interest looks small on paper, 10%, 15%, maybe 20%, but over time it becomes a silent thief. When you only pay part of your balance, interest grows on what's left, and then grows again the next month. That's called compounding, and it's how lenders make billions. A $1,000 balance can turn into $2,000 before you know it. Every delay, every "I'll pay it next month," makes the trap tighter. Once you see how fast interest multiplies, it changes how you think about debt completely. The key is simple. Stop feeding interest, and you stop feeding the system that profits from it. 3. The illusion of minimum payments. The phrase minimum payment sounds helpful, but it's one of the most dangerous traps in personal finance. Paying the minimum might keep you out of trouble for the moment, but it ensures you stay in debt much longer. Banks love it because they keep earning interest every month. For you, that $50 payment barely touches your balance. What feels like progress is actually a pause button on freedom. The fix? Pay more than the minimum. Even a small extra amount makes a big difference over time. It's not about paying faster, it's about paying smarter and taking back control. 4. Building a shield. How to break the cycle. Breaking free from debt isn't about luck, it's about action. Start by tracking where your money really goes. Once you see it, you'll find areas to cut. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home more often, and redirect those savings toward debt. Next, use a method. The snowball, start with small debts, or avalanche, start with high interest, to stay focused. Call your bank and ask for lower rates. You'd be surprised how often it works. Most importantly, stay consistent. Even small steps matter. Debt freedom isn't one big move. It's a series of small, steady wins over time. 5. Creating a debt-free future. Through smart money choices. Avoiding future debt is about building protection, not perfection. Start an emergency fund, even if it's just a little each month. That way, when life surprises you, you don't reach for a credit card. Set up automatic savings and spend with intention. Ask, do I need this, or do I just want it now? Build habits that support your goals, not your impulses. Over time, you'll notice something powerful: peace of mind. Living debt-free isn't about being rich, it's about being in control. Every smart choice today brings you closer to a future where your money works for you. Thank you for watching. Debt can feel heavy, but understanding how it starts and learning how to control it can change your financial future. Remember, small habits lead to big freedom. Avoid emotional spending, pay more than the minimum, and protect yourself with smart money choices. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. More simple, practical tips to grow your money and confidence are coming soon. Stay tuned.